Love XX, we make our goals. Y'all tap in with Anne-Marie. Love XX, we make our goals. YouTube channel family. Love XX, we make our goals. Y'all tap in with Anne-Marie. Love XX, we make our goals. YouTube channel family. Love XX, we make
The Cambridge is so funny.
Louisiana. Murder on that beat.
Something we gotta cut up to, yo. Yeah.
Hi guys, we just came to Longhorn, so we're gonna get some lunch and then we're gonna go to the, I think there's a Five Below we're gonna go to, and there's a few other stores like over in the plaza. So this is what we're gonna get. I haven't been here in so long. I hope that they have some good food, but I know they have good food, but I can't remember if it's this place or the other place that has that bread. So let's see if they have the bread that I love. This is what I got with mushrooms and onions for the first time. Hopefully I like it. Loaded potatoes. We're at Target. Oh, look at this, a golden spine. Yuck. Somebody did their drink. So I follow this girl, Rita, and I'm looking for the stuff she was showing. I'm surprised they don't have any Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. I would think that they would. Oh, hell no, look at that big spider. That smells good. So a little birdie told me that Five Below has a lot of Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. So of course I had to come. We're gonna see what they have. I found some stuff, but they can't just have this. Oh, look at Jack and Sally. A Nightmare Before Christmas ornament. I wish Jack was on this one. You already know. Puzzle. I'm not that good at puzzles. Oh, that is so cute. Let's see if they have different tumblers. No, basically the same. I don't have this color though, but I don't really care for that color anyways. goodness. There was a little glass mason jar that I had. Oh my goodness. And I turned the garbage disposal on and it literally broke up every piece of glass. So now I gotta feel in here some Final Destination shit. Ow, and get out all of the glass if I can. At least, ow! Yeah, I can't do it. Alright. Oh my lord. Exactly not what I want to deal with first thing in the morning. So you take this. Don't mind the blood. Sorry about that. You take that tool. Just made coffee. And come down here. And there's this little thing. You see that thing? That goes inside of there. Oh, yeah. So you put this inside and you turn it like this. See how it's jammed? And when you do this, it loosens it out. Now I could take this whole thing apart because I do know how to, but it's more of a pain in the butt. So I just loosened up under here, and now I'm gonna get back up here. I did not have those mega knees. Rinse water so I don't get cut up again. Oh, you motherfucker. Alright, let's see if it works. So, update. It is working. It is spinning. Now I just gotta use this tool a couple more times and get the little chunk of glass that is stuck in there. Now I don't want to keep on doing it because you don't want to burn the motor out. Because if I burn the motor out, then I'm going to need a whole new garbage disposal. I'm not waiting on no maintenance. I'm not waiting on nobody to help me. So yeah, just a kind of a lesson in life I just realized. Never wait on somebody else. If you can do it yourself, go ahead and do it. At least give it a try. Google it if you have to. You know, you got this. Don't depend on nobody, you know? Do not depend on nobody. And if you are stressing over something, if it's something you cannot physically change, there is no point of worrying about it. We're gonna get this garbage disposal fixed. I've been working on it for about 15 minutes, so let's get this ish done and I will be back with an update. Okay, so I think I got it all. It is making a noise, but I'm pretty sure it was making that noise before. So something is wrong. I felt all in there. I literally cannot feel nothing. Like, there is nothing in there. Maybe I messed it up when I did blend it, because like I said, I did not know that little glass thing was under there. So I guess lesson learned. Always put, you know, small glass objects outside of the sink, or check the garbage disposal before you turn it on. All right, y'all, I will catch you later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. and have a good day. Okay, y'all, so we are doing half of this today, so let's get it packed in the cart and bring it down the block. So I'm gonna do all the detergent and the oral care. Don't mind my little piglets. Let me see how many I have of those, because Naya uses those ones too. How many do I have? 2? Okay, so I'm gonna save 2 more. So I'll save that one. This is the kind she uses. See, it's right there. Whew. It's all odds and ends. Deodorante. Okay. I'll bring this one. And I'll bring this one.
I still make broken promises.
Okay.
Told him my house was drying off for at night, so you know I gotta just get away from GTA.
And I'll save these ones.
Further out.
This is on live. Oh yeah. And I'll bring these ones too. Okay. And like I said, I definitely don't like when people, you know, film it and literally show them handing it to them. But hopefully this inspires somebody to do some donating. It's very affordable. This was $2.50. You know, a whole 12 pack. You know how so many people would appreciate that. So you guys can do it too. It is affordable. All right, y'all. Let's bring this. I thought the elevator was out of service for a second. I was gonna say, are you kidding me? Yeah, it's not that far. Like I said, it's probably like a half a block from the house. So that's why I just walk. Because there's no point of taking the car, loading the car up, and then having to, you know, unload it just to go down the street. So I'm gonna bring this, and then we will be going to CVS. Hi. Good.
Actually, you know what? I'll get everything right in here. So Wednesday's the last day up here.
Why?
Oh, a TV show was redoing our pantry. So we had to move it up here so they could redo it. Is this all us?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I can still drop stuff off though.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes,
Okay.
yes. Especially 'cause you drop them.
Yeah.
The guys super appreciate
I
it.
got more coming, but I just I'll wait until the end of the month to bring it.
Yeah, actually, it reopens next week.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so no, you cut it right at the end of it. It's been going on since like August. It's a makeover show, and they picked us to do a makeover for a pantry. Yeah, it actually, it's an NBC show. I had never heard of them before either. But on November 11th, it's going to be on TV. The show is going to, and so is this place. So.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, so you always give great stuff, so I'm
Yeah.
not going to turn it down.
Okay.
And like I said, we're going to reopen downstairs next week.
Okay.
This was just a temp for now.
Yeah, well, that's cool, huh?
Yeah, I know, right?
That is done. That is so funny. She just told me that some like show on NBC picked them for a makeover. Wow, that's amazing. See, blessings are blessings. I'm so happy for them. Guys, look at how cute these are. I remember when I got a little what?
It has like a little like jack-o'-lantern face.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I won't get to in the video.
No, you're good.
That is so cute. Cute. Hey you guys, I went grocery shopping today, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I still had some steaks from last month, so I only got 2. I got a pound of hamburger so I can make my barbecue meatloaf. Get over there. I got 4 patties. I got some cornbread, a whole chicken. Today is Saturday the 7th. I'm making this tomorrow on Sunday, and then on Monday it's Columbus Day, and Naya's gonna make her homemade chicken noodle soup, okay? With a soda on the side. And then I got Riz some cod loins and some shrimp that I will fry up for him. Naya wanted some pineapples. I got pineapples, 2 bags of broccoli, some potatoes. She wanted the frozen strawberries, but I got the text late, so I got the regular ones. I'll just wash them and freeze them. I got some sweet potatoes because tomorrow with the chicken, I'm gonna make a sweet potato casserole. And then I got some chicken thighs. There is 6 packs. There is usually 3 to 4 pieces in each one. And that was $14.93. And then I got some chicken legs, the same thing, 3 to 4 pieces in each pack, and there's 6 packs. You guys, I am so upset. I'm about to tell you in a second. Then I got some carrots for the soup tomorrow, a cucumber, and some tomatoes. And I got an onion. So I'm gonna do the onion and not the mushrooms that I bought over there, but some fresh ones with the steak. This, you guys, this little thing was $1.99. I couldn't believe the price. Then I got some cheese for mac and cheese for the month. I got these Activia yogurts I'm gonna try. So we'll see how that goes. And then I got some apple and cinnamon Nutri-Grain bars. I got some pita bread and provolone cheese. I like those sandwiches. I got some brown gravy and chicken gravy. I got a pack of bouillon cubes for the soup tomorrow. Some Cohen on the cob. And then I just got cranberry sauce, some diced potatoes for the soup tomorrow. I got some of these mushrooms for when I do the steak and cheese. And then I got some of this. I forgot what meal I'm gonna have this with, but yeah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna make it. And then I got some sour cream, some kosher pickles, a jar of spaghetti sauce. Like I said, I only eat spaghetti sauce. I mean spaghetti rarely, but I gave neighbor Sam my last one, so I just like to have a couple of them in the cabinet. I got 2 things of butter. They had my creamer, 1 left all the way in the back. You best believe I grabbed it. I got a thing of ketchup. Oh my gosh, you guys, they put my juice back on the 3rd shelf. Like, why? And then I got a gallon of milk, and you guys said to try canola oil, so I got one of those. So I'm gonna put this all away, and then I'm gonna show you a few drinks I got and snacks for Naya. And these are the snacks I got for Naya for school. And I got 2 of these iced teas, and that's it. Thanks to neighbor Sam, I am getting some more gnomes. It's all her fault. Can't believe they already got the Christmas stuff out. Naya was asking me to get ice cream. Look at my pants I got today. Oh my gosh, I freaking love them. They are so cute. And I got this cup. It looks purple, right? But it's black. It's so dope. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my freaking lord. There is a big spider on my rose. I'm gonna freak out. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at it. I am freaking the fuck out. Why? Oh my gosh, you guys. I just went to go pick this up and I seen this big ass spider. Oh my gosh, I hope I'm not being dramatic, but y'all don't understand. This shit almost crawled on my finger. Hey you guys, I wanted to share a deal with you that I did on live. I had 2 spend boosters. I had a spend booster, a paper one of spend 40, get 9, and I also had a digital spend 25, get 7. The laundry products, the Gain, the Tide, the Gain Flings, and the Tide detergent were all $5.49. The Olay was $7 a piece. I did use $26 in register rewards. I had a $5 off 3 for the Olay. I had $1.50 off the Tide, $1.50 off the Tide Pods, $1 off the Gain fabric softener, and $1 off the Gain Flings. After my register rewards, my total was $6.96. Now, like I said, I did have $26 in register rewards. So if you guys don't have that, you will pay the $26 plus the $6.96. So my total was $32.96. I got $5 in a register reward for buying 4 of the laundry products, and I got $5 for buying 3 of the Tides. So minus that $10, my total is brought down to $22.96. Like I said, I had that digital and paper spend booster, so minus $16.70. For all this stuff before tax, I paid just $6.26 out of pocket. You guys can do this as well, as long as you got both of those spend boosters. Let me know down below if you score. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.